Right, this is the latest block. It's another Japanese block, a traditional block, and it's quite easy to put together. It consists of 1.5-inch strips and squares, except for these four here. They're 2.5-inch squares, and it goes together quite logically. We're going to work through this middle section first and then attach the sides. You'll see what I mean as we go along. We'll include a list of the sizes of the pieces that we need as well. Right, now stage one of the sewing. I've sewn all these together in their strips and the end ones as well. These need to be sewn and these, but first of all we'll attach all of these together. And that's the core of the quilt. Now it's starting to take shape. So I've sewn all those together, and now the sides get sewn here. And obviously this is going to be next after that. And then the long side, this is the 4.5-inch pieces, they get sewn last of all. Now I'm going to attach the smaller outside pieces first, and then the longer piece, and it'll all fit together like a wonderful puzzle. It's really very simple to do. You just got to follow logic. I keep all this mat beside the sewing machine and take up the pieces and put them back in their place as I go, and it makes quite a difference. There, that's it. I hope I haven't kept the instructions too simple, but it's pretty straightforward, I think. Now I'm going to give it a good starch. And then I'll trim it, trim the edges. As far as the seams go, I try and press it to the dark as much as possible. Now I'll trim it. Now just give it a little bit of a trim, and that's it. Pretty easy actually when you come down to it. It's just, as I say, a logical sequence, just so you know where you are with it. And I put it all beside the sewing machine, as I said, and it makes it easy. You just pick up a piece and then put it back in its place, and it makes the whole thing simple.